vehicle is experiencing maximum aerodynamic pressure.
MVAC engine chill.
So they begin chilling the engine on the second stage to get it ready to go. Beautiful shot there, looking up the tail end of the rocket. And there's the Cape getting smaller and smaller. Approaching main engine cutoff. And you'll see separation just a little bit right after the engine's cut off. And down they go.
Eco.
There it is.
Stage separation confirmed.
And there goes the booster, which is coming back to land here at the Cape.
MVAC ignition. Stage 1 boost back startup.
And there it is. Great shot of that booster coming off as it performs the boost back burn. Well, you can see it clear as day in the sun. That's the first of 3 burns as that booster gets ready to come back down. What a great shot. And there's the second stage, proceeding into space.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
Both vehicles are following nominal trajectories.
See the grid fins being deployed? That's help steer the booster back down to Earth.
Acquisition of signal Bermuda.
So you can see the little exhaust there that is steering that booster back down. And that from inside the second stage. Still got a shot of that booster coming down. Now it's vertical. That's a great shot. And it is falling fast.
Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories.
So SpaceX confirming that everything's looking good for both the booster that's falling back as well as the second stage, the spacecraft that are getting ready to enter orbit. It's hard to keep a track on that booster because it is falling fast. That's a great shot, though. All right. Well, we're going to toss it over to SpaceX and let them take it from here for the landing of the first stage as well as the rest of the mission. Go ahead.
Thank you, Daryl. In order to make its way back to our landing zone, the first stage is going to execute a series of 3 burns. The first is a boost back burn, which you've seen earlier, which is meant to slow the rocket down and orient it for re-entry. Shortly after this first burn, as you saw, the grid fins deployed. Those are the fins located near the top of the first stage, and they're deployed to help guide the rocket during descent. Following the boost back burn, Falcon 9 executes an entry burn, which is coming up shortly. It's to slow itself down before hitting the dense part of the atmosphere. Now last is the landing burn, which happens just before touchdown, providing the booster a soft descent to land. And our 4 landing legs also deploy at this time. You just heard the call out for the stage 1 entry burn. That'll go for about 10 to 15 seconds.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
At this point, both the boost back burn and the entry burn have been completed, so we're just waiting on that final landing burn coming up in about 10 to 15 seconds. Let's keep an eye on the screen to see if we can see those engines light. Should be coming up in about 10 seconds.
FTS is saved. Stage 1 entry transonic. Stage 1 landing burn started.
And you can hear the landing burn just started. There, you heard the call out. Watch for those landing legs deploy coming up shortly.
Stage 2 has entered terminal guidance.
Landing leg deployed.
There you can see those landing legs deploy.